Hello, little artists. Welcome to Color in Play. Today, we're drawing the cute, fluffy bunny. Do you love bunnies? Let's hop into drawing. Let's start with a big, round shape for our bunny's face. Can you guess what comes next? That's right, two long, floppy ears. Let's give our bunny some big, shiny eyes. Do you think our bunny should wink or have big, round eyes? Aw. Time for a little pink triangle nose. And of course, a tiny smile to make it extra cute. Let's draw a round fluffy body. Did you know bunnies love to hop and bounce all day? It's time to color. What color should we use? Pink. A pink bunny is so adorable. What's your favorite color? Let's add light pink inside the ears and a little rosy pink on the cheeks. Bunnies look even cuter with blush. Wow! The pink color makes our bunny look so soft and fluffy. Do you think bunnies like to be petted? Wow, the pink is looking so nice. Should we add some white highlights to make it pop? Almost done. Let's add some little hearts or sparkles around our bunny to make it even cuter. You're doing amazing. Show your drawing to your family. What name should we give our bunny? Yay! We did it! Our pink bunny is so cute! Don't forget to smile and be proud of your drawing. Great job, little artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to Color in Play for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye.